We have a video here where it says, kangaroo attacks man after trying to drown his dog. Now, I don't know if the guy was trying to drown his dog or if the kangaroo was trying to drown his dog. I'm not sure. But let's go ahead and look at the story right here. Listen to the story, rather.
A man from country Victoria is undergoing surgery after being punched and kicked by a kangaroo.
Damn, that dude looks intense.
Yeah. Dude, but you know what? It's like, just think about that, just makes me like shudder because like kangaroos are so powerful, man. It's like, and they have their sharp ass claws and stuff.
There must be a kangaroo filming this man right now because this motherfucker looks scared. You see?
Oh, yeah. Well, he's just like,
a kangaroo attacked a man today.
No, he's like this. He's like this. Fuck that, this is some real shit here. Back in Victoria, a fucking kangaroo fucked up a man today.
Boy!
Oh, good
kangaroo!
This ain't no good eye, I'll tell you that right now.
Fucked a man up today.
That ain't kangaroo. This is a kangaroo.
Yeah.
And there's a knife.
That's a weasel with an afro.
Yeah.
This is a kangaroo.
Yeah. That's a weasel. That's a weasel with an afro. That's a koala bear with a fanny pack. And that's a kangaroo.
With a gun to my back.
Yeah. A man from country Victoria is undergoing surgery after being punched and kicked by a kangaroo on his property this morning. The roo was trying to drown Chris Rickard's dog in a dam, so he leapt to its defence, only to find himself knee-deep in trouble.
Looking at Chris Rickard, you can tell this was a boxing kangaroo.
God damn. Now, they say a boxing kangaroo. Did that kangaroo have boxing gloves on or Wolverine claws?
It looked like he tried to play tic-tac-toe on his ass.
Shit, that kangaroo put a blade out on his sliced his ass.
You up, Holmes?
Hey, what you doing with that dog, man?
Hold on a second, Holmes.
Shit,
I drown whatever dog I want to, Holmes.
Shit, this kangaroo from Australia or the barrio.
I know, we just started getting racist too.
That kangaroo
got nice, all of a sudden he's got to be Mexican.
This motherfucker got X's all over his body.
Tic-tac-toe, motherfucker. Should mind your business and let me kill the dog.
Well, that motherfucker got done up, that's for certain.
Yeah, he should have did. Put that motherfucker in the hospital.
One hell of a punch, and not a bad kick either.
It's quite deep here. It was where the hind leg struck.
The 49-year-old was covered in scratches and blood when he was rushed to the Austin hospital this morning from his property at Arthur's.
That motherfucker attacked him like he was out in the yard in prison.
Yeah. I guess the kangaroo, he didn't realize the kangaroo was like, oh, you didn't realize this is a prison yard right here. And you ain't joined the gang yet.
Yeah, that kangaroo shanked his ass.
Yeah, branded his ass like an Oz.
Yo, man, you got some smoke. Like,
Oi!
Oi!
Phone check, homie, phone check. Oi! 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 Oi!
Creek on Melbourne's northern fringe. He'd been walking his blue heeler there and says the kangaroo lured the dog into a dam and then tried to drown it.
The fuck is wrong with that kangaroo?
Damn, that sounds like some shit that went on between that dog and that kangaroo.
Yeah.
I don't, you know.
They had a little dispute or something, yeah.
Yeah. Kangaroos say, hey.
Come on over here. Let me show you something over here. You motherfucker gonna fuck my wife, huh?
Yeah. Kangaroo probably
the dog fucked the kangaroo's wife.
The kangaroo probably came up and called that dog, hey, man, come here. Hey, you got my money today?
Yeah. Oh, you ain't got my money,
It's the deadline, man. Yeah. Well, see, man, I had it, but...
Yeah.
What my money?
Daddy!
That dog trying to...
I'm coming, mate. I'm coming.
Yeah, where my money at?
Oh my God! It's like,
what'd you say, Daddy?
You got my money?
No, sorry, baby. All I got is these here bones. I don't want no fucking bones. I want my money. I buried a bunch of bones in the yard, baby. That's cool. No, it ain't gonna work.
Look, man, how about this? I got a milk bone and a can of Alpo. We good? Yeah, we good. If are you thirsty? What do you mean?
Yeah. Thirsty? Well, I know. I just had a drink. Anyway, I'm only laughing because I'm glad he didn't actually drown the dog.
Kangaroo called. And what the fuck is going on with kangaroos in Australia? Kangaroo called the dog over and tried to drown him
over. He said, "Lord, how does a kangaroo lure a dog over anyway?"
He said, "Hey, you want to swim?"
I just don't get it.
kangaroo had on an inner tube and some swimming trunks. Hey, Rover, man, we going swimming today?
A Foster's.
A Foster's, yeah. Yo, man, we swimming today or what? Come on, man.
In a tube.
Yeah.
Come over down to the swimming hole.
Yeah.
But
be right there, Jack.
well, I don't get it because like a little dog you think would be afraid of it, and a big dog would just go fuck the kangaroo up. So you wonder, you know what I mean? Like a big vicious one. I mean, one of those big, like a pit bull would, you know. I think a pit bull could probably take down a kangaroo. What do you think?
A pit bull could probably, shit, as far as I'm concerned, a pit bull could take down King Kong if it wanted to.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
I hear about pit bulls attacking people, and I hear like one pit bull. I hear about a pit bull attacking people and leaving those people in pieces.
Oh yeah, because they bite down, they don't let go, man. They just tear you up. Their jaws are just so strong.
Yeah, I'm gonna say a pit bull could take down a kangaroo.
I wonder what the answer to that is. I really do though. I mean, I'm with you. I think a pit bull could do it, but.
Hey, wait a minute. Hold on. Let me call up Michael Vick. I think he used to fight kangaroos, too.
He's like, hey, what a good idea.
Yeah.
Next thing you know.
I know. Well, I ain't fighting dogs no more. What's the problem?
What's the problem, baby? Don't nobody like kangaroos.
There ain't no law against kangaroos.
People like kangaroos, do they? Oh, they love kangaroos.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
They tried to drown dogs.
Let me know what my fine
They
is.
ain't completely innocent. That dog must have witnessed that kangaroo commit a murder or something.
The way it pushed that dog underwater, you had to stop it.
And stop it, Chris did. Only problem, though, was the Roo then set its
The
sight.
Roo beat his fucking ass. That's the problem. You know, that dude was like, okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Mind your own fucking business, old man.
Old man. Mind your business, old man.
Get the fuck out of here.
Mind your own business, old man. This is your own business.
This is between me and this dog, old man.
Yeah.
The fuck out of here.
To me and the blue healer.
I'm concerned, you.
Kangaroo jacked up.
He got kangaroo jacked up. You ever see that terrible ass movie?
Oh, Kangaroo Jack. Yeah.
He's horrible. The kangaroo got a hoodie on, was rapping and shit.
I think this kangaroo had a hoodie on too.
I'll tell you.
And a concealed weapon.
Yeah. Kangaroo jacked up.
Kangaroo Jack, that's good, man. Man, that motherfucker got us the beat down, boy.
It's on him, rearing up on its tail and unleashing.
This kangaroo was had
Dangerous.
Yeah.
a personal score to settle for some reason. He actually
Did you hear that? He said this can't listen to this. We were joking around, but he said listen to what he said. Okay, maybe. Come on, don't do this to me. Why are you doing this?
It was the Roo then set its sights on him, rearing up on its tail and unleashing.
this kangaroo was had a personal score to settle for some reason. He actually went aggressively after me. I've never seen that before.
I can't believe that that a kangaroo would deliberately do that. It's amazing to me, but yeah,
Bitch, why you
obviously.
smiling?
I know she's, you know,
It's amazing to me. I'm like, no, hold on. I understand that you might find something amazing, but keep in mind, I got the shit kicked out of me.
kangaroo drowning a dog. Funniest thing I've ever heard.
But until I heard about me husband getting fucked up.
You know what it was. She probably paid that kangaroo to kill her husband. Now look, take the dog, put him out to the pond. The husband's gonna come running out.
Yeah.
And that's when you kill him.
This kangaroo had like a personal vendetta, and so like, maybe someone would have paid him almost. But that's ridiculous, right, honey? Right, Sheila?
And
Sheila?
And then you and me, we're gonna elope. with my husband's insurance money.
I understand why a kangaroo would do that to me.
Chris is undergoing surgery this evening, but is likely to be free to head back to Arthur's Creek later in the week. And will he be seeking revenge when he gets home? Well, probably not.
Because he's scared as fuck as a kangaroo, that's why.
No, I'd have blown that fucker's head off. So fuck that, man. I'd kill that motherfucker. When he was seeking revenge when he gets home, I'd have been under the camera. Fuck yeah! Click. Got some for your ass, Kangaroo Jack.
Him and his homies.
Yeah. And everybody looks like him, too.
Driving by your Jeep. Hey, motherfucker! Shit! Kangaroos hopping everywhere.
Yeah.
Motherfucker, what you do?
Yeah.
What was this? He gave as good as he got.
We'll call it a draw.
Like, yeah, I ain't fucking with that kangaroo anymore. You see how I look right now?
You didn't see him.
Ain't that some shit? The kangaroo got away with it too.
Oh, man.
Hey, wouldn't it be funny that kangaroo came by his house every day and just looked at him like, yeah, motherfucker, like put that slash on by his throat?
That thing he did in Eastern Promises.
Yeah.
That thing we did with his neck. Oh, I hurt my own neck doing that shit.
Kangaroo come by every day looking at him. Yeah, motherfucker.
Look at that video right there of a kangaroo's attack.
What?
Look at that to the side right there. To the side. Go down. On kangaroo's attack.
Let me see how a kangaroo ass whooping looks.
I just want to see.
Let's see. It's a woman petting a baby kangaroo.
Yeah, see, they keep fucking with him, see?
He's like more like he wants to fuck.
Shit, that ain't.
Actually, he looks like he's just playing.
He just playing, but that still look like, that don't look like a kangaroo attack. That look like kangaroo rape right there.
Yeah, he looks like he punched it. He punched the camera. They really do kind of box, don't they?
They do.
I didn't realize that.
That kangaroo came up with that camera. Get that fucking camera out my face.
Yeah. It's like, get that camera out my face.
Like TMZ was there.
Yeah. He hit the shit out of it, too.
I guess the bottom line is, because look, that Australian looked tough. That dude, he looked like
he did look tough.
He looked tough, and he was one that's saying, I ain't fucking with that kangaroo anymore.
Yeah, he did look tough though.
Shit, he took my wallet, took my car. I ain't trying to get it back. I'm calling in my insurance. Get that shit back. Be funny. That kangaroo was driving by every day too. Yeah, say something. Got your car, bitch. Yeah,
but I would seek revenge, though. I still would. I'm not kidding. Go back there and fuck that kangaroo up. I'm not kidding, man. I'm not saying I can take a kangaroo. I'm just saying I either run over him in my car or shoot him. He fucked that dude up, man. Look at that video.
He did fuck that dude up. That dude got permanent. He got permanent.
Mind his own business till he started fucking with his dog.
You know what I do? I go back home and look at that dog. What the fuck did you do?
Nope.
What'd you do to piss that man off?
I go over there, shoot that kangaroo right in the head, and leave his body there for all the other ones. Just a reminder. Yeah, you fuck with me and my dog, I'll kill you. May not be today, may not be tomorrow.
Okay,
but I'll be back.
What the fuck? You know what
close that tab, man.
You know what you do? You'd be like Game of Thrones. You'd have that kangaroo's head on a stick in front of your yard. Mm-hmm. And then you have a sign that says, anybody else?
Yeah. And then rape the kangaroo. Didn't they do? Yeah, they almost did that on one of those episodes I saw. I don't watch that show. I turned it on. They had one dude about to rape him, and he's like, I'm going to fuck you into the dirt. I was like, fuck this show.
Jesus. Yeah, you know what?
I was like, when did Game of Thrones become Oz?
That's what Billy said. Billy said, I'll cut his head off and fuck his corpse.
Yeah, that's right. That kangaroo doing that to me. Plus, kangaroo's kind of fun.
You ever had a kangaroo hug before?
I'm kidding. Or am I?
Tune in to find out next week.
Tune in next week after my trip to Sydney. Tune in. I love that.
I'll call this Allenville. All right, everybody. Thank you for listening. We had a good time. We'll talk to you later.